Bread machines are an innovative kitchen appliance that simplifies the bread-making process. There are many products available to choose bread machines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bread machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EBAM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker. The Elite Gourmet EBAM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker is a foolproof and automatic machine that can make up to a 2 lb loaf of bread. It includes 19 programmed preset menus for a variety of doughs, from basic white bread to pizza dough. It also has a 15-hour delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function. With this bread maker, you can manage the nutrients that go in your bread by limiting preservatives and trans fat, and even eliminating gluten. Number 2. Frigidaire Bread Maker Machine. The Frigidaire Bread Maker Machine 15-in-1 is designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. With 15 settings, you can create perfect bread every time, whether you prefer whole grain, French bread, quick bread, dough, cake, or a customized recipe. The machine features a handy viewing window that allows you to observe the baking process, and it will beep to remind you to add any final ingredients like fruit or nuts. Cleaning is a breeze with the removable non-stick, dishwasher-safe pan. This bread maker is the best quality product for making fresh bread from the comfort of your home. If you need any assistance, our professional customer support is always available. Number 3. Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Maker Machine. The Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Maker Machine is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that allows you to easily make a variety of breads in the comfort of your own home. With its 15-in-1 automatic programs, including options for different types of bread, cake, jam, yogurt, and dough, you can create a wide range of delicious treats. The bread maker has a large capacity of 2 pounds, perfect for making enough bread for the whole family. It also features a 15-hour delay timer, allowing you to wake up to freshly baked bread in the morning. The machine is made of durable stainless steel and has an elegant silver exterior, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its intuitive touch panel, the bread maker is easy to operate and offers precise control over the baking process. Overall, the Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Maker Machine is a reliable and convenient appliance that will help you enjoy homemade bread with ease. Number 4. Amazon Basics 2-pound Non-Stick Bread Making Machine. The Amazon Basics 2-pound non-stick bread making machine is a 550-watt non-stick bread maker with up to a 2-pound loaf capacity. It automatically mixes, kneads, rises, and bakes fresh bread with an express bake setting that bakes bread in less than 90 minutes. It features 14 settings for making breads, doughs, gluten-free options, jams, and more, with 3 crust color options in light, medium, and dark. The LCD display and intuitive button controls make it easy to use. Number 5. Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. The Oster Express Bake Bread Maker with gluten-free setting is a 650W bread maker that can handle up to a 2-pound loaf capacity, making it ideal for larger families. With 13 settings, you can make a variety of breads, dough, jams, and even gluten-free bread. The 3 crust color selection options allow you to customize the bread to your liking. The Express Bake setting makes bread in under an hour, while the 13-hour programmable baking timer ensures fresh bread anytime. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.